Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this lesson, you are going to learn a new sign. It is called shadda, shadda or tashdeed. Okay, the function of shadda is that it doubles the letter. For example, you have shadda on ba. You have to join it with the previous one, which is alif with a fatha, and then read it again with the sign it has, and that is fatha. Okay, when you join alif with ba, it becomes ab, and then you read ba with a fatha, ba, abba. Okay, abba, and you put some stress, and that is the meaning of tashdeed. Okay, abba. Okay, the next one, abbi, abbo, ibba, ibbi, ibbo, ubba, ubbi, ubbo, abban, abbin, abbun, ibban, ibbin, ibbun, ubban, ubbin, ubbun, atta, atti, attu, itta, itti, ittu, utta, utti, uttu, attan, attin, attun, ittan, ittin, ittun, uttan, uttin, uttun, atha, athi, athu, itha, ithi, ithu, utha, uthi, uthu, athan, athin, athun, ithan, ithin, ithun, uthan, uthin, uthun, ajja, ajji, ajju, ijja, ijji, ijju, ujja, ujji, ujju, ajjan, ajjin, ajjun, ijjan, ijjin, ijjun, and so on.